Viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are just discuss about how to get the values from my env file into my Android manifest file. In this video I just mentioned how to set up the env file to get the values from your env file. Okay, so in this video we are just going to discuss how to get this env value into my Android manifest file. And because the previous video the guy commented out the setup of env file is understandable, but how to get the value into my Android manifest file from this existing env. So I'm just going to overview of last video. So this is the my env file into my assets, and into my bubblespec file I am just declare the assets path. And first of all I am using the package, and this name is this package flutter.env. And now we are just going to get the value, and this is the way we are just getting the value from this API, from this env file. Now the question is that how to get the value this env file into my Android manifest file. So first step is to get this env value into the manifest file. To go to the app level build.gradle, I am just going to define the path of this gradle file. Is first of all Android app, and then this build of gradle file. Okay, so in the default config section you need to mention this line. I am just putting this line into the description. You can copy and paste it from your from my description. Okay, so after that, if you put this line, you are able to get the API key into the manifest file from the env file into my manifest file. So how to get that value? Just delete your API key and put your string slash and your API key. Now this is the key of your API key and for your Android manifest file. So copy this file, copy this key, and paste it here. Now you are able to get this API key into your manifest file. So this video goes to that guy who commented out in my previous video how to get the value into the manifest file from this env. So I'm very thankful for that guy who highlighted this issue. So this video is really dedicated for him. Or if you like, if you got the idea how to get the value into manifest file from env, so please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.